Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. How are you guys doing? And today I'm going to be going a trip. It's like this park. We're going to go boating. We're going to go everywhere, all of this stuff. We might get diesel first. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, turn on notifications for my future videos. And I can't wait to get into it. It's like 27 degrees. I'm scorching hot and yeah, we're gonna get into it now. We're just getting stuff in the car. See you in a bit. Bye. So now we just reached Shibden Park and we're gonna relax and we're gonna have fun. We've just arrived now. This is the whole car park everywhere. And now we're just gonna have fun, relax, eat some food and all of that. I will be showing you the food in a bit. Okay guys, so we've just arrived. There are all the boats in the distance. I literally cannot wait. And here is a train. And then here's like some greenery. Guys, I'm gonna sprint. Whoa, this is a bouncy castle. Oh my god, all of this stuff everywhere. Oh my gosh, in fact I'm gonna go close. Wow, Shibden Park is insane. Oh my. So here it is. We go here. There's a duck. God damn. Wow. Hello. Wow. God damn. Oh damn. I touched this thing. God damn. Damn, son. Anyways, yeah, that's like all of the greenery. We're gonna set up the picnic. I'll show you the food. Oh wait, actually there's some flowers. Here are all of these lovely flowers. Wow. And yeah, anyways, like I said, we're gonna get into the picnic. Let's get into it. Wait, that duck was just upside down. Anyways, that is all of the boating, all of there. And also, we are gonna book them. Oh, there is just under again. Guys, I'm gonna go so close. Wow. Oh my god. If I drop this, my dad's gonna kill me. Ugh. Wait, guys, let's see if we record anything if it swings upside down. There we are. There we are. Anyways, yeah, all over here. They're all boating down there. Free. See? And we're gonna book it as well. Oh, and there, but I can't be bothered running all the way around to go there. Here, look at that one. Wait, oh yeah, that one. And then, ooh, never go on the edge. Fast step on poo, man. Here, all of this. Oh my god, there's a full hurdle. Let's see if I can touch one. Why is there a full bundle of poo? Hello, people. Hello. They're all of them gone. All of them gone. Oh my. Okay guys, so here's the food and so we're just gonna eat now. That's the salad. And then that's the rice, and then that is like this, all of the food, chicken, meat and all of the. Here is the plates and the cutlery, and then yeah, and those are the breads and that, and we're gonna dig in now.
Zara, where are you going?
And this is my cousin Fried.
Oh my god!
Hi.
Hi. No, we don't want to show that because
Yeah.
we're gonna go walk now. It's a bit like the Roseberry Topping vlog. My YouTube channel got deleted for 2 days. So tomorrow I'm gonna get the results. I put so much effort in this. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go.
It feels like I'm gonna roll back down.
No, you can't roll. If you roll, you're gonna end up in that river down there. Right.
Why did you come up with
Oh no, she's collapsed. We're going. Come on. It's this. Don't let her. Ew. Ew. Alright. Oh, guys, right. I'm gonna speed run. Alright. We're here. This is the guy, bro. Oh, there she is. She's coming in the distance. Oh, what should I say? Whew. Let's wait until they come.
if she's still coming up here and we go back down, we're
I'm
literally
recording by
gonna
the
smoke
in it. Oh, shall I hit her while we run down? I'm gonna run down and hit her. Come, guys. 3.
What the hell is even that?
Guys! And then, this is AJ.
Hi guys.
No, it went in your side. Yours, we don't want to go. Liar. इसको लग जाता then you don't get the point. If you don't get the point then तब रो रहा है. रो रहा नहीं हो मैं गेम के rules है. हार गया यार. If it hits the you lose.
This guy is just crying, bro.
Loser. Yes. No, man. No. Out. That's out. Come on. Oh, out. सर थोड़ा मूव कर ले सब मूव हो जाओ रोटी आसान हो जाएगी go stand come on look take another one out look at the post take that one out the posts are here oh lose Leo look at the post hey come on Sam lose fully fat well done Jeanette come on Jeanette
Okay guys, so now it's the end of the day. We've had food, we did everything, and we did badminton as we recorded. And yeah, I'm really shattered and we're just gonna go home and rest. And if you haven't already, make sure that like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. And I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Until the next one, peace.